The company has changed dramatically over the years. We've grown, certainly. We have a lot more processes. We have a lot more control. One of the big differences between then and now, when we were small to when we were big, is the number of offerings that we provide. So we call it concept through production.
We start usually with the concept phase, and that's where you look at and define the product and figure out everything you need it to do. Then you work into a development phase, and that's where you come up with the design and the details that will meet that concept that you're looking for. Usually then there's a prototype and a testing phase where you try the thing out. Does it do what I expected it to do? And then you do a production phase, which is where you ramp up the speed, you produce these things until you're up and running the production quantity that you need to make.
We have lots of equipment, machines, computers, software, but those don't operate by themselves, and it takes people.
People say, oh, we really care about our employees, and you're like, yeah, right, whatever. But at Sigma, people really do care about you. We care about each other, we're kind of a family, and we go out of our way to make sure that we do help each other out in whatever way possible. Then there's also just lots of random, fun, bizarre things always going on.
Most everything you see around here came from the employees and them saying, wouldn't it be great if we had? So we go, okay, great, let's do it. The most exciting part of the design process for me is watching stuff come together, watching the end product, whatever it is, watching it become real, delivering.
I'm always surprised, like, man, how did we do that? You just get a bunch of people in a room and you brainstorm and you come up with some crazy idea and we'll figure it out. Doesn't matter what it is, but we will figure it out. We'll have fun doing it at the same time, which I think is cool.